because he is then changing the position that they have taken, and he's changing the factual basis upon which these orders of habeas corpus are made. He has stated, and your lordship was at pains to point out, that you are persuaded that the petition alleges that the abductions are by police officers.
Mr. Do not take it to the court. We were not at pains. The petition says so. The only point I agree is he cannot take it to clandestine. But the petition that David says they were. So let's leave it at that, because you can only ask a question. And remember, the officer has said he was directed, and he directed. Okay? He delegated. So there is someone who is supposed to come and tell you, unless you don't want him. You will be happy if you don't want him.
My question, the very last question will be, you know abductions to confirm going forward?
No, let's not go there.
It's actually tied to the question about the safety of the citizens going forward.
You see, you know, counsel, this officer is here pursuant to directions of the court to answer specific issues. If we want the general issue, I don't want to use that word, because that word does not exist either in law or in the Constitution. So let's use the language. We are in court. Let's use the language the law gives us to use. That the language belongs to these people.
Thank you.
So, if you want us to use the language they use, we use it, but not here. Because how can I record abduction? Because the law doesn't know anything about that. So, restrict yourself to 3 people and not to generality. Those people are missing. So if you want us to go to generalities, then we are not dealing with what has brought us here.
Thank you, my lord, for the directions. I believe that.
And I thought you knew that.
I knew that, my lord.
So why are you taking us the way you are taking us?
It was a guarantee of safety that the very same question that the IG responded to. There will be no question from me, Mr. Amin.
Thank you.
That's all?
That's all, my lord.
Thank you, Director.